Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best underwater boat lights installation products that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or premium designs, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the 90 LED Boat Marine LED Underwater Lights by Larlands. This product offers great value for money, featuring 4,500 lumens of brightness with 90 LEDs. Its IP68 waterproof rating ensures robust performance underwater, while the SUS 316 stainless steel shell enhances durability and corrosion resistance, especially important for saltwater environments. The polished finish gives it a sleek, premium look despite its affordable price. Installation is a breeze with the included stainless steel mounting screws, making it suitable for DIY enthusiasts. The blue light it emits creates a luxurious atmosphere, giving your boat a modern and stylish touch. Whether you're using it for night fishing, deck courtesy lighting, or transom illumination, it's versatile enough to meet most needs. However, at 0.5 watts per LED, it's not the most energy-efficient option, and users might notice a slight drop in brightness compared to higher-end models. With a 3-year warranty and a price tag of just $50, this light is ideal for boat owners on a tight budget who still want a reliable underwater lighting solution. The combination of affordability, decent brightness, and a polished design makes it a worthy contender for casual use and smaller vessels. At number 3, we have the HUSUKU GT1 Underwater Boat LED Lights Marine Color Light Kit. This mid-range option packs a punch with its 2,000 lumens of brightness, RGB 50/50 LEDs, and patented auto-sync technology. The IP68 double-layer waterproof design ensures superior resilience underwater, while the anti-corrosion 316 stainless steel cover and high-strength PC shell provide long-lasting durability. The wireless grouping and control feature is a standout, allowing users to manage multiple lights seamlessly with a single remote. The auto-sync technology is particularly impressive, enabling lights to transmit and receive signals within a 33-foot range. This means that as you add more lights, the control distance extends indefinitely, a feature that's perfect for larger yachts or boats. The installation process is straightforward, requiring only 2 wires per light, making it accessible even for less experienced users. However, the controller base could feel slightly bulky for some users, and the 5-ounce weight might be heavier than competing models. With a price point just under $180, this light is best suited for boat owners who want advanced functionality without stepping into premium tier pricing. Its mix of robust materials, customizable lighting modes, and ease of installation makes it a great investment for those seeking a balance of performance and value. At number 2, we have the Lumitec Lighting 10511 SeaBlaze Quattro Underwater Light. This model delivers exceptional performance with 2,000 plus lumens of brightness and dual color options, white and blue, that require no external controllers. The naval-grade bronze housing and heat-tempered glass make it one of the most durable lights on the market, ensuring it can withstand harsh marine conditions. The extended 5-year warranty is a testament to Lumitec's confidence in their product. The SeaBlaze Quattro features a simple surface mount installation with a 2-wire hookup, making it accessible to both seasoned boat owners and DIY enthusiasts. Its compact dimensions, 18 by 10 by 6 inches, make it ideal for smaller spaces without compromising on brightness. The light's dual color functionality is perfect for switching between practical white illumination and aesthetic blue lighting, adding versatility to your boat setup. However, at 25 watts of power consumption, it's slightly less efficient compared to other high-end options. Priced at just over $250, this light is a fantastic blend of performance and reliability. It's ideal for users who want a premium build and solid warranty, but don't necessarily need the ultra-high brightness of top-tier models. Whether for fishing, ambiance, or general use, the SeaBlaze Quattro is a dependable choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lumitec SeaBlazeX2 Underwater LED Light. This premium option is the gold standard in underwater lighting, featuring an astonishing 6,000 plus lumens of brightness and dual color output, white and blue, with RGBW spectrum control. Its naval-grade bronze housing and heat-tempered glass ensure unparalleled durability, while the brushed finish adds a touch of elegance. With its easy surface mount design and simple 3-wire hookup, installation is as effortless as it gets. What truly sets the SeaBlazeX2 apart is its photometric lighting integration, PLI technology, which allows for advanced control and customization. Whether you're lighting up the stern for night fishing or creating a vibrant ambiance for a party, this light delivers performance and versatility in spades. Its efficiency of 100 lumens per watt ensures it's not only powerful, but also energy smart. The 3-year warranty and Lumitec's excellent customer service provide peace of mind for long-term use. Priced at $329.79, this light is tailored for boat owners who demand the very best in performance, design, and reliability. If you're looking for a premium underwater lighting solution that combines brightness, durability, and advanced features, the SeaBlazeX2 is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.